He had this recommendation for Kang'ata and others, and he was lucky to have received it because, Senator Kang'ata, apart from serving as the whip, the majority whip from the Jubilee side, he has also been very active in contributions in the House, and we remember him very well for sponsoring the Ward Development Fund bill. Although it's yet to see the light of day, it went to the National Assembly, but it went through the Senate. And if you remember, this is also one of the very critical bills that was even in the BBI, that was going to ensure that funds don't just stay at the county level, but they go up to the ward level so that the ward becomes the focal point for development. And I'm sure that this should not be the end of the road for him, that he should now even use this as an impetus to even work harder, to serve better his people, and for whatever else that he wants, I'm sure he should be able to perform.
Jokia Gatho, kwi Speaker wa Senate na President na munini wake Deputy President, tondu nio maraheire ngerenwa ino ni undu wa watho ria ndatwarire witagwo wa Ward Fund. Watho ucio wari na bata muno nginya no ikiritwo thiini wa BBI, no BBI yake na mathina mangi ikihata, koguo ni ngwihoya National Assembly itukie watho ucio tondu andu kuria mashinani matirateithika, mbeca ciothe ciagwo ni magavana makaga gwika maendeleo kuria mashinani.